ní o. Wọ́n ń retí ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yẹ lójoojúmọ́. Wọ́n ti kóra wọn jọ láti pẹ̀tàn mi. Wọ́n ní mi ò mọ̀júlé àdúrà lójoojúmọ́. Mọ̀rí mi lọ́nà ilé àdúrà wọn. Tọ́pẹ́.
Tọ́pẹ́.
What is the problem?
What did you learn on your first day at school?
School. School is boring. All I was taught is A for apple, B for ball. And the teacher said I have to come back tomorrow again. See, I'm not going. They will not see me. They will not see me.
They will see you. They will see you. Bàtàrẹ adùn kókó ká. Bàtàrẹ adùn kókó ká. Kó o bá kàwé rẹ. Bàtàrẹ adùn kókó ká. Bàtàrẹ adùn kókó ká. Bàtàrẹ adùn kókó ká. Kó o bá kàwé rẹ. Bàtàrẹ adùn kókó ká. Bàtàrẹ awọ ṣẹrẹrẹ nílẹ̀. Bàtàrẹ awọ ṣẹrẹrẹ nílẹ̀. Tó o bá kàwé rẹ. Bàtàrẹ awọ ṣẹrẹrẹ nílẹ̀. Tó o bá kàwé rẹ. Bàtàrẹ awọ ṣẹrẹrẹ nílẹ̀. Tọ́pẹ́, you still have 16 good years of schooling.
16 good years. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 good years. Gee. No, I'm not going. They will not see me. I'm not going back. I'm not going back.
Young man, you are going to that school whether you like it or not. You are not going. You are not going where? You see, that is a product of what you call a son. Otiri. So that's what you call a son.
It's now my son.
Wait. That is what you gave me as a son. When I was in school, during my era as a student, I was coming first throughout my school years. But one more, look at your son. Everything about him is just a replicant of you. His nose, his eyes, his ear, everything. And his dullness, even a replicant of you.
He said he's big like yours. Yes, he said
Look, woman, look, listen. You can use everything from my body to abuse, but don't you ever use my head. Don't ever use my head as an example.
I said, he said it's big like yours.
Look, woman, mind yourself.
You can't
don't use head as an example.
You can't do no.
Don't use my head as an example. I'm warning you now.
It's big.
Hey, make una see, Papa Tọ́pẹ́ don come again.
Mama Tọ́pẹ́, they will never answer your door. Mama Tọ́pẹ́, ha! Now why Mama Tọ́pẹ́. Fine
Iyajike, welcome.
Mama Tọ́pẹ́, thank you very much. Mama Tọ́pẹ́, I just opened a brand new restaurant. And I know, say, with people like you, if you can't shop for that restaurant, let me say my own don't well be that. I won't make you be among the first set. We will come shop for them.
Iyajike, what a friend for? I will gladly join you there.
Thank you. Come now, more they go. Because Baba Tọ́pẹ́ and Undubusi, they don't need it, they expect you since.
Okay. Let me go and wear my slippers.
That's why you're my friend.
I hope this man no dey among the people where they work in your restaurant.
Mama Tọ́pẹ́, he dey o. In fact, na him be that person wey dey prepare the food wey dey enter people stomach.
Oluwa.
I put vacancy everywhere for people to come, but they are too expensive. So with this one, it does as if it's working for free. But,
before my belly burst out.
Mama Tope, what you do? Mama Tope, what I do you now? I know they see you again for my brand new restaurant. You go sit down. Hope not be say you won't tell me say my food na poison.
No, your food is the best food in the world.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I swear by my landlord grave. Your food is very, very good. Very. If then they serve your food for heaven, I go there. I know say, oh, if na here, then they serve her. I go there, go chop.
You see, but some people they talk say my food no good oh, my food na poison oh.
No, your food good. Na jealousy. You know, say people like the jealousy very well.
Oh, you know why I like you? You know they like. With this one you tell me now. See, I bring this gift for you. This gift now for say you come shop, my brother. Come give me this thing. Yes.
All this one for me.
Yes.
Hey. Thank you. Hey.
Mama Chike. Where do ma? Mama Chike, see, I need your help. See, you get one of my teacher will be say, I get away with the beat us. So, I won't buy small inside your food. Make a give her, make it die.
So, you dey tell me say my food na poison?
No, me I no be me talk amona. My mama tell me he tell me say your food, even if they serve angel for heaven, they go die. If you say that eat after he go repent, turn to Christian.
So you wouldn't listen to me?
No, I not talk about. I say your food. The thing where I talk no bad.
Very perfect.
I say I say your food bad.
Mom, you bad, go. But you say even if they keep everybody go wake up. See that's how you go where they go. See, make a can go. I make a back you. I don't power.
Now wow, you say my food no sweet. For when we say people they eat, they enjoy. Our food no sweet. No people wake up. Even that is small picky. Talk say my food no sweet. They don't pay. No wahala.
Shiba, I told you, Papa Tope.
What you
I told you.
Don't tell me all these things.
If I tell you, go there.
No be wrong throat. Carry you go.
Who run toast? I don't say what. I don't say what's up. What's up? I'm brokoto. Eh?
Ay.
Make una see Baba Tope. Make una see Baba Tope. More than the mumu waiting saying get sense. Sometimes he says they make sense, and sometimes he says no, they make sense.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.